When reading, writing and playing the minor scale on the treble clef, we start with E on the first line of the bottom of the staff. Move up step by step until we return to the E on the last space of the musical staff. This completes the octave. On the bass clef, we start with E on the first ledger line from the bottom of the staff. The key signature features one sharp, that being F sharp. Later in the video, we will discover how to work out the relative major scale, so stay tuned for that one. Minor scales are made up of 7 musical intervals. They follow this pattern. Now it's important to practice a scale to understand the differences in mood and sound between major and minor scale. The tonic triad of the E minor chord is formed using the notes E, number 1, G, number 3, and finally B, which is number 5. Harmonising the minor scale means creating chords that fit well with the notes of the minor scale. This is a great way for beginners to understand how different notes work together to create harmony. By understanding and practicing these chords, we can get a feel for how the minor scale works and how different chords can be used to create songs and melodies in this key. The open form of the minor scale on the guitar uses open strings. Here's how we play it. The simple form of the minor scale on the fretboard of a guitar stays in one position. Now here's the pattern which can be used for any minor scale. To find the relative major scale of any minor scale, simply count forward 3 steps from the root note. This will reveal the relative major scale. Now, are you ready to explore more musical insights? Then check out our next video on understanding relative minor scales for beginners.